Welcome to our video. Today I will show you how you can use Fiverr for CPA marketing. Today I will not tell you how you have to buy a CPA offer, CPA promoting gig, etc. Not at all. You don't have to pay a single dollar for it. It is a free method and organically worked method. But sometimes Fiverr will block your account, then you have to really do that create an other account and then stay continuing to Fiverr. This method will really help you and also useful. So let's start the video. So at first I will search a gig type in here, like suppose I am choosing digital marketing. So digital marketing related all gigs are here. Okay, so it is saying that we have to at first log in. So I will continue with my Gmail account. Okay, so we are in the home page. Now I will search social media marketing, this related gigs. Okay, there are many gigs related to this. So the main thing we have to do that we have to come on service options, seller details, budget and delivery time. There are some options. So we have to find where is the location options. Okay. So at first we need to find Fiverr have a simple update. So there is some. Okay. So seller details. Now choice United States. Then apply. So now there are 147 offers right now here. Okay, now I can choose an offer. They are all from USA and this is 100% sure. If we send a personal message to them, we can send it. So suppose Instagram review. Fiverr doesn't share any type of any email to other people. Also there is an opportunity. He is also a Fiverr seller buyer, so you can also contact with them in other way. So there is an option contract seller. This seller is from USA and we can see that he is a female. So after clicking on contract seller, there is a get a quote and ask a question. You can choose anything. I am choosing ask a question. Then first write a personal message on Notepad or Microsoft Word. Also you can link your website or landing page at here. Okay, after the message written, the message should be related to the offer, CPA offer. So then after sending him the message, he will respond sure, because getting a sale on Fiverr is very hard for low level market uh, Fiverr workers. So After showing the message, he will click on the link and he will absolutely try to fill that offer, then work for you. I think you are not understanding my message. So let's try it detailedly. At first, you have to make a message related to your CPA offer, and you have to convince the seller for clicking on the link and completing the offer. After he completes the offer, we will get leads. So this is a very simple way. You can so we can find only 147 gigs at here, but if we search any other thing like Facebook marketing and service option, then sorry, seller details, United States, apply. So there are 792 offers right now here. So you can understand how many leads you can generate. So I already tell you that Fiverr can block your account, but you have to create another account with VPN or not using VPN. Anything, anyway, you have to create an account. Then again, start promoting your offer. This is a very big opportunity for you and very useful opportunity. So I hope you have understand my voice and video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and like the video. Also press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thank you so much.